Hello, welcome to Angular 6 Plus tutorial. My name is Felix. A lot of beginners, a lot of guys want to create fast application that looks similar to Facebook, but they don't know where to start and where to end. So I will advise you guys to subscribe to my channel and then also enable notifications so that anything I drop in, you get a notification of it. Because I'm going to start from beginners level to professional level. Okay. Now, what is Angular? Angular is a JavaScript framework that enables developers to create single-page application or SPA. So now, what is SPA or what is single-page application? Now, let's take a look at Facebook. Now, this is Facebook. This is Facebook page. Now, if I click on this, you see this is still here, but this part has been changed with different UI or different component. Now, if I click on home again, my friend list here, is still there, but you see it has been rendered with different component. What if I refresh the page? You see it is gone and it is reloading everything. Okay. Now let's start installing our Angular. Now to begin, download what you call node.js. So say download node.js. Come here. Now this is Windows platform and then this is Mac platform. And this is, if your machine is 32-bit, download this. If your machine is 64-bit, download this. So now my machine is 64. So I have already installed this software, so I'm not going to install to download it again. So let me cancel it. So you download it and then install this software. Now, after installation, you have your Node.js and then you also have your npm installed. So now, to test your node and then your npm, type node/v. Now, it is giving me 8.11.3, which means my node version is version 8.11.3. Now, let me check my npm version also by typing npm/v. Okay, so now it is 5.6.0. Now, if your command says node or the npm is not recognized as an internal or external command, don't worry. This is what you have to do. Now go to your node installation folder. Mine is here. Node. Okay, so now mine is here. Open it. Then click here and then control copy it. Then here, right click this and then go to properties, go to advanced system settings, environment variables, and then look for path. So this is path. Open it and then click new. Then control V to paste that link here. Now I already have it here, so I'm not going to save this. Okay, now after this, now run it again. Let's say V. You should be able to see your node version and your npm version. Okay, now now we have our node and then npm installed. So now let's download or let's install our Angular CLI. Now, to install your Angular CLI, type npm install/g to install it globally at Angular CLI. Then you hit enter. Now, I already have this, so I'm not going to install it again. Now, after your installation complete, please create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder called Angular tutorials. CD Angular tutorials. What I mean is, create a folder called Angular Tutorials. In this particular, that is C users Felix. Create a folder called Angular Tutorials, and then after that, navigate to that folder. So I'll hit enter. Now our folder is created. Now let's check. Users Felix. Now we have Angular Tutorials here, but there's nothing inside. So now let's create our first Angular project. So now type ng new, I say tutorial 1. Press enter. Okay, so now you see our folder is created here, that is tutorial 1. Now this is going to download what we call node modules. That is, it's going to download everything it takes to get your Angular project running. Now this is going to take a while, so let me pause this. Okay, so now that we have everything, now let's navigate to our project. I say cd tutorial 1. Now let's save our project by saying ng save / open, so that it will open it automatically. So let's hit enter. Okay, good job. Now you have our first Angular project. If you have any comment, please drop it down there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.